We're given the diameter of a soccer ball to be 25.4 centimeters, and the first thing we want to do is see how much synthetic leather it's going to take to cover the soccer ball. In other words, we want to find the area of this sphere. We know that the area of any sphere is 4 pi r squared. Before we can calculate the area, we can see here that our formula includes the radius, whereas we're only given the diameter. But we know that the diameter equals twice the radius, and the radius is half the diameter. So as long as we have the diameter, we can find our radius by dividing it by 2, giving us 12.7 centimeters for our radius. Let's plug that into our equation and solve for A. For an approximate surface area of 2026.8 centimeters squared rounded to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. The next question asks us, if it costs $25 per meter squared of synthetic leather, how much is it going to cost to cover this soccer ball? Well, first it's important to note that the surface area that we found was found in centimeters squared, whereas this pricing is given us in terms of meters squared. So let's convert our surface area value into meters squared before we calculate the cost. We know that every meter squared is 10,000 centimeters squared. So as long as we have 2026.8 centimeters squared, dividing that by 10,000 will give us our answer in meters squared, which is approximately 0.20268 meters squared. And now that we have our value in meters squared, we can calculate the cost. $25 times 0.20268 meters squared gives us a total cost of $5.07, rounded to the nearest 100th since this is a monetary value. So it's going to cost us roughly $5 to cover this entire soccer ball.